Mnangagwa sells out Zimbabwe's railways to Chinese corporations. The 3rd of September 2025. By a correspondent, President Emerson Mnangagwa has entered into talks with Chinese giants, China Railways Group and Huawei, sealing multi-million-dollar agreements that critics warn could deepen Zimbabwe's dependency on Beijing. Mnangagwa met with executives from both companies during his visit to China on Monday. Finance and Investment Promotion Minister Professor Mthuli Ncube hailed the engagement as a game-changer for the country's struggling transport and communication sectors. China Railways Group is expected to spearhead the rehabilitation of key railway infrastructure, but analysts fear the contracts may carry hidden conditions that tie Zimbabwe into long-term obligations and erode sovereignty. Huawei, meanwhile, is preparing to expand its footprint by modernizing Zimbabwe's communication networks and introducing artificial intelligence technologies. Civil society groups and technology experts have raised alarm, warning that Huawei's involvement could expose the nation to surveillance risks and compromise digital security. On the surface, it sounds like progress, but in reality, Zimbabwe is being boxed into arrangements that strip away independence, an economic analyst said. Opposition leaders have condemned the agreements, accusing Mnangagwa's administration of handing over strategic sectors to foreign corporations instead of developing homegrown solutions. This government is selling out Zimbabwe's future, while ordinary citizens continue to suffer under a collapsing economy. One opposition spokesperson charged, despite government optimism, the deals have reignited fierce debate over whether Zimbabwe's growing reliance on Chinese capital is a sustainable path forward, or another step deeper into the cycle of debt and dependency.